start, right? Okay. So good morning, everyone. I have taken half an hour to explain you what we are going to cover in this course. Okay, right? So let us see what we have studied till now. I hope all of you have basic idea about permutation. हाँ या ना? Tell me. Permutation सबको समझ में आया? हाथ उठा लो.
Yes, sir.
Right? Okay. So in last class, right? I'll just revise in nutshell that what we have studied. है ना? I'll just revise in nutshell. So we studied what is fundamental principle of counting, right? Topic wise topic. What is fundamental principle of counting? So we have two fundamental principle of counting. What are they? Tell me. We have two fundamental principle of counting. What are they? Tell me, everyone. It is
Factorization.
yes. It is rule of multiplication and rule of addition. Ayana. Rule of multiplication and rule of addition. So multiplication and addition. Now, suppose I'm having event E1 and E2, two events, E1 and E2, right? E1 can occur in n ways and E2 can occur in m ways, right? And this is rule of multiplication, you know, rule of multiplication, right? So when we use rule of multiplication, if both E1 and E2 occurs, yes or no, tell me, right?
Yes, sir.
If both
So if it is odd, then it is plus.
yes, then we will use rule of multiplication. Clear hai? Sabko samajh mein aa raha hai? Tell me.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
E1 and E2 occurs, then we will use rule of multiplication. And if same thing, right? N ways, m ways. If E1 or E2 occurs, right? Then it is your rule of addition. Clear hai? This is what we have studied. We have solved lots of problems based on this. Then we talked about what? Then we talked about, tell me.
Yes.
Factorial, right? Factorial.
Factorial.
Right? What is factorial? So what is factorial? So factorial is continuous multiplication of natural numbers, right? है ना? Till that number. Clear है? Right? Step concept by concept, है ना? Concept by concept. Then we talked about, tell me, then we talked about what? Selection and arrangement. Selection and arrangement. And what it is called? What it is?
Permutation.
Correct. Permutation. So selection and arrangement is called as permutation. Okay. And only selection is called as something called as only selection. Something is called as combination. Okay. Right. We will cover this. Okay. Today, combination. So I hope all of you have studied till permutation. Permutation that sabko samajh mein aaya hoga. Right. I will send the videos also. I will send the lecture notes also. You can just go through it for revision. Okay. Now, we know that so permutation is what?
Sir, it is selection and arrangement.
Yes, correct. Right? I will just see this. Permutation is equal to selection and arrangement.
Ma'am,
And
sir, that means we can tell like selection and
arrangement, right? Which can be written as number of ways of selection right into number of ways of arrangement. Yes or no?
yes, sir. Number of ways into number of ways it can be arranged.
Correct. Anyone have any doubt in this? Raise your hand. Anyone have any doubt in this? Raise your hand. Tell me, is it easy to understand? Tell me, is it easy to understand? Right? Very good.
Yes,
no. Okay. So what was the formula of permutation, guys? The formula of permutation was NPR, right? NPR, which means
NPR.
yes, selecting and arranging R objects out of how many objects? N objects.
N object. Out of
N object.
N.
Okay, so can I write like this? Okay, this is equal to what? Selecting R objects. R objects, right, out of n objects, right? Selecting R objects out of n objects into arranging R objects. R object. हाँ या ना? Right? Anyone have a doubt? यहाँ तक आप छाड़ो, सबको समझ में आ रहा है? रूपा, मधुर,
Yes.
Brinda, Daksh, Arav, Adarsh, Akshit, Ragini, Niketan, anyone have
Yes, sir.
Okay, now we have studied also now, right? So if I'm having R objects, think about it. अगर तुम्हारे पास चार object और उसको आपस में arrange करना है, right? Arrange करना है 4 objects, right? And these are different objects. Same नहीं होगा ना, different होगा यार, right? है ना? I hope all of you remember 4 different objects.
Yes, sir.
4 different objects, correct? Are arranged. In how many ways? Tell me, in how many ways? Tell me, 4 different objects can be arranged in how many ways?
16.
16.
16.
No.
4
Okay.
factorial.
4 factorial, yes.
Factorial.
The 4 factorial.
Yes
4
or no?
factorial.
Right? If you remember, this is what you have studied, na? Right? Then R objects can be arranged in R factorial ways. Yes or no? See? Right? Remember, guys. You guys remember? I will send this PDF. Don't worry, I'll send this notes. But I hope all of you remember this now. Yes or no? Raise your hand.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Right? So R objects can be arranged in R factorial ways. है ना? R objects can be arranged in R factorial ways. So can I ask you that here 4 different objects can be arranged in 4 factorial ways. What about same? If it would be same, then if the 4 objects are same,
4
then
to the power 4. 4 to the power 4. 4 into 4 into 4.
Guys, 1. The answer would be 1, na? Right? Yes or no? Right? They have
Yes.
studied.
So can I repeat the question?
The question was, if R objects are same, then the number of this arrangement is 1. Right? Yes or no?
Yes, sir. One,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes,
Right?
sir.
Yes, sir, because the order will not matter.
Yes, order
Sir,
will not, because
always
it is
same.
okay, correct. Are you getting the concept, right? Everything is covered, hai na? I will send this.
Can you
note so
repeat?
you guys remember. I said that if the number of objects are same, the object, right, are same, then the order will not matter. No, they are same, right? Doesn't matter if you keep, right, them in different
If
positions.
it can be repeated, then
Again, right, repetition is selection, and I'm talking about arrangement, right? You have to be very clear that it is selection or arrangement. समझ में आ रहा है ना? है कि नहीं? If you're picking something, right, then it is selection. If you're arranging them, you have already picked, you're arranging them, that is arrangement, right? है ना? So repetition, non-repetition is for selection, right? ठीक है? Same and different for arrangement. Okay, so tell me. So here, this is example. This was example. So in how many ways you can arrange R objects, R different objects, R different objects? Tell me.
Sir, R factorial.
sir, R factorial.
Sir, R factorial.
Correct. Very good. So can I say, sir? Can I say, sir? Number of ways of selecting. Number of ways of selecting R objects out of an object into R factorial should be equal to NPR. हाँ या ना? Step by step.
Yes.
Yes sir.
Yes, sir.
यहाँ तक सबको समझ में आ रहा है? हाँ चलो. युक्ति, वृंदा, मधुर. Madhur, you are getting Madhur?
Sir, it is easy.
Arav, Pooja, sorry, Rupa, Ragini, Niketan,
Yes, sir.
Daksh.
Yes.
Okay, so Can I cross multiply? I hope all of you know how to cross multiply, right?
Sir, we know.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, so what is the number of ways selecting R objects? Can I say, so it is equal to NPR divided by R factorial? Haan ya na? Raise your hand, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Anyone have any doubt in this? Tell me. Yukti, you're getting
No,
Yukti?
sir.
Yukti, you're getting?
Sir, selecting R objects means
Yes, selecting R objects means, right? I'm picking R objects out of N objects,
yes, sir,
right?
got it. Yes, sir, it is correct.
Okay, now let us use our common sense. Right? Okay, so permutation means selection and arrangement. Yes or no?
Yes, sir,
Yes,
it is
sir.
correct.
Selection, just selection means combination. Just selection means combination. Yes or no? Right? Okay, so I can say, sir, instead of writing selecting R object, it is very like long thing to say all the time. So I will give a notation, same as permutation. I will give a notation which is combination. NCR, it is combination, which is given by NPR by R factorial. Now tell me, which of them is greater, NCR and NPR? दोनों में से बड़ा कौन होगा?
NPR.
Correct, very good, right? Because select करना और arrange करना का तरीका ज्यादा होना चाहिए ना, common sense है कि नहीं? Select करने का और arrange करने का तरीका ज्यादा होना चाहिए, हाँ या ना? Tell me. तुम कुछ select कर रहे हो और उसको arrange भी कर रहे हो और सिर्फ select कर रहे हो. Tell me, which of the two ways will be more?
Sir, the selecting and arranging.
Sir, NPR.
This into this is equal to this, right? So I guess, sir, this is common sense, right? And that this will be greater than combination. I hope all of you are very clear about combination.
clear.
Concept
Yes.
क्या होना चाहिए? What is combination? Combination मतलब क्या होता है?
Sir, only
Combination means adding or multiplying.
only
Selection.
only selection, no arrangement, right? So बताओ, order important होगा क्या combination के लिए?
no, sir.
No, order is not important, right? But permutation के लिए
Sir, order is important.
That's important.
important. So can I write note? Can I write note? Order is not important. Order is not important. Right? For combination. For combination. Yes or no? Right?
Yes, sir.
It is only selection. Only selection. Okay. है ना? Only selection. For example, if I give you a very basic example, right? Think about it. Everyone, think about it. सब कुछ सोचना, ठीक है? If a committee or if a right, okay, committee. I'm writing wrong spelling. I don't know how horrible I became. Right? I was writing wrong spelling or correct spelling.
You are
Right?
writing correct.
Correct, huh? See, if there would be some like you know, I don't know what to say. Some this not disease, right? Some disability of writing wrong spellings. Then I would be having that, right? है ना? So I was writing correct. ठीक है. The committee of. So this is what happens if you don't write. ठीक है. E, it is O-R-D. See, I don't.
Sir, committee spelled COMMITTE.
TTE, not double
No,
E.
sir, TEE.
Sir, double E is correct.
See,
Sir,
I was.
TEE. Sir,
Okay,
T.
you guys are making fun of me now, right? See, I'm not good at
No,
spelling.
sir.
Chalo, ठीक है. Jokes apart, if a committee of, right, 5 person to be formed out of 10 person, In how many ways you can do that? In how many ways it is possible? It is possible. Think about it and tell me, everyone, step by step. Orthographobia, okay, there's something like that. Okay. Right? I did not know that there's something like that.
सर सबके लिए एक एक फोबिया है सर, बस गूगल में सर्च करना होता है.
Siddharth, what you did is, Siddharth, it's commutation, it is not combination. Kishore, that is also permutation, not combination. Okay. You are just selecting, you're not arranging, na? Does it matter कि किसको पहले select कर रहे हो, किसको बाद में select कर रहे हो? Does it matter? Tell me. Think about it. Yes, it is just selecting 5 objects out of 10 objects, right? Right? It doesn't matter, right? That whom you are selecting. Correct? No, Siddharth, wrong. Wrong, Rajat. See, this is why you have to think. Wrong, Kishore. Wrong, Siddharth. Wrong, Akshat. Wrong, Ragini. Wrong, Akshat. Wrong, Niketan. Everyone is wrong. Answers written on the screen only, right? The formula is written on the screen only. Okay, the formula is written on the screen only. Okay, this is the formula. It is written on the screen only. You just have to use it, and you guys are not even using it properly. What is NPR? NPR is n factorial by n minus r factorial. This is NPR into r factorial. Hayana, right? I deliberately did not write this. Because I wanted you to write this. Okay, you have to apply this. No, Kishore. Now tell me, what is the answer? Tell me. Now tell me, everyone. Now tell me what's the answer. Step by step. No, Shravya. So I will solve, right? Now we are selecting what? Selecting 5 objects out of 10. Yes or no? That is what we are doing. Hayana, tell me, yes or no? Right? Which is what? 10 C5. Step by step. 10 C5, step by step. So what is 10 C5? It is, according to this, right? 10 factorial divided by 10 minus 5 whole factorial into 5 factorial. Yes or no? Right? Yes or no? Which is 10 factorial divided by 5 factorial into 5 factorial. Yes or no? Niketan, you are doing PAP. Guys, 5 factorial into 5 factorial.
सर मुझे भी वही आंसर आया था, पता नहीं चला बाद में क्या करने आ गया.
Can I say this? 5 factorial into 5 factorial is 25 factorial. Tell me, can I say this?
No, sir.
No,
It
sir.
PAP. It is PAP, right? In the same way, 10 minus 5 factorial cannot be written as 10 factorial minus 5
No, sir, it
factorial.
is not possible.
Sir, can we write it as 5 factorial squared?
Yes, that is 5 factorial square, no? Because 5 factorial and 5 factorial, right?
Yes,
But again, right, this is also PAP. So you can just write like this, na? So 10 factorial and 5 factorial can be written as 5 factorial into 6 into 7 into 8 into 9, right? Divided by 5 factorial into 2 into 3 into 4 into 5. Yes or no? Tell me. Right? So can I just divide this 5 factorial and this 5 factorial? Hayana, tell me step by step. Step by step.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir, 9 into 10.
Yes, into 10 is 2 will divide this 3 times, 3 will divide this, 4 will divide this 2 times, 5 will divide this 2 times. Now tell me, what is the answer? 7 into 9 into 4. I hope all of you can get the answer now. Tell me, what is the answer?
Sir, you have, sir, sir, in the denominator, you should write 5 factorial into 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 into 5.
So 1 into anything is 1 only, na?
the same answer.
Okay.
Same answer.
है ना? Why? See, I do not want to extend one digit, right? It will touch, right? That's why it will be crowded. That's why I just skipped 1, because 1 into something is same, na? 1 factorial is 1 only, right? So tell me, what's the answer? So 7 into 4, 28.
252.
Yes, 252 ways. Got it? Tell me, got it, everyone? Raise your hand. Got it, everyone? Raise your hand. Come, chalo. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Anyone have any doubt in this? Anyone have any doubt in this? Raise your hand. Anyone have any doubt? किसी को doubt है इसमें?
No, sir.
Right? No, clear? Yukti, Kishore?
Sir, no, sir, no problem.
No doubt, sir.
Sir, it is easy.
Vrinda, okay? Okay. Okay, chalo. So, shall we solve one more problem? Shall we solve one more problem?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So I will increase a difficulty. Okay, I will increase a bit the difficulty step by step. So my question is same. I will take the same example, right? Okay. Find the number of ways of forming a committee.
Sir, can you show that question, sir? 5 out of 10.
Wait. Right. Committee of 5-person, right? 5-person, okay, out of 8 men and 4 women, right? Okay, such that committee should have 2 women. Okay, now solve this step by step. Solve
Each
this.
committee should have.
Right. Yes, this committee should have 2 women.
Sir, is it each committee or only full committee?
There's only one committee, na? Right? Forming a committee. There's only one committee, right? Hayana. You have to select, right, 5 people. Out of that 5 people, 2 should be women. As simple as that. सोचो एक बार बताओ. सोचो. Take your time. No issues. No hurry at all. Think.
So 4 minus 2 and then the normal.
Okay. So this is the hint, right? So we have 8 men and 4 women, right? We have to form a committee of 5 members, out of which 2 should be women. So men should be 3 men. Yes or no? So what is the question? You have to select 3 men. See what the question becomes: 3 men out of 8 men and 2 women out of 4 women. Got it? Tell me, got it?
Yes, sir. Sir, we should actually separate men and women and then add the both ways.
Add, no, it is and, right? It is and, na, right? So and means multiply.
Sir, but in combination, the order doesn't matter.
Again, it is 3 men and 2 women. It is not order. It is fundamental principle of counting, right? It is not the order.
Okay, sir.
Okay. right? So let us see in how many ways you can select 3 men out of 8 men. Tell me, in how many ways you can select 3 men out of 8 men? It is 8 C3. Yes or no?
Sir, for men 8 C by 3.
C3, right? Into, and means into.
Into, sir, into 4 C by 2. 4 C by 2.
समझ में आया? That is the answer.
Yes,
Correct.
sir.
Right?
Sir, I did it like that.
Let us solve 8 factorial divided by 8 minus 3 is equal to what? 5
8
factorial.
minus 3 factorial, that is 5 factorial. 3
2
factorial.
factorial. Wait, Brinda, I'm checking Brinda. So 4 factorial divided by 4 minus 2 is 2 factorial into 2 factorial. So this is what? This is 6 into 7 into 8, because 5 factorial will get cancelled. 5 factorial will get cancelled. This is 3 factorial, which is 6. 3 factorial is 6. 6 and 6 will get cancelled into 4 factorial, 2 factorial will get cancelled. So it is 3 into 4 by 2. So this is 2. So the answer is 6 into 7 into 8. And now 6 into 7 into 8 is equal to what? 6 into 7 into 8? 42
Sir, it is 40.
into 6?
Sir, 336.
Sorry, 42 into 8, right? 42 into 8?
It is 336.
Okay, correct, easy. Got it, everyone? Tell me, everyone got this? Yes or no? Raise your hand. Everyone got this concept? Everyone should get the concept.
Sir, I didn't understand that multiplication part. Can you please do that again?
Okay, so see, here, fundamental principle of counting is always there. It is fundamental. What is the question? Question is you have to find a committee of 5 members. Means you have to choose 3 men and 2 women. Hi, Anna.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So 8C3 is the number of ways of choosing or selecting 3 men out of 8 men. And 4C2 is number of ways of selecting 2 women out of 4 women. But since it is and, you have to do this and this, right? So we know that when we have and, we have to multiply now, because I'm selecting this as well as this, right? Got it?
Yes, sir.
Sir,
Right?
I have, sir,
Yes, tell me.
sir, but I did in a bit different method.
No, this is the only method, right? This is the only method.
Sir, means I did the men calculation separately and woman calculation separately and then multiplied it.
Same thing, no? It is same thing. I just written it at once. It is same thing only. Hi, Anna.
Yes, sir.
Okay, right?
Yes.
Okay, so shall we solve last problem of today's class?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir, permutation is easy.
No,
No, sir, combination is easy.
you have to again, right? Nothing is easy depending on the type of problems. Okay, right? Anna. For example, I'll give you one example. Okay, let us see. Okay, let us see. The question is this, right? This is, I'm not saying, right? I'm not saying, okay, that this question is of permutation or combination. You have to think and solve. There are 6 boys who enter a boat with 8 seats. Okay, 8 seats. 4 on each side. 4 on each side. Okay. In how many ways? In how many ways? Question number A. They sit anywhere. They can sit anywhere.
what is that? Enter a
Okay, wait, guys, just give me a minute. Okay, they can sit. Okay, anywhere. Anywhere. Okay, that is first one. They can sit anywhere, right? Question B. Two boys, A and B sit on one side. Sit on one side, and another boy C sits on opposite side. Okay, right? Okay, so this is a problem. This is a problem, right? Okay, so try to think about this problem. Okay, try to think about this problem. First is easy. What is first answer? Tell me. First is very easy. First is super easy. What is the answer of first one? First one is-
Sir, 8C6.
Now
Sir,
again,
8C6.
it is permutation or combination?
Sir, combination.
Permutation. It is permutation, right? Okay, because sitting arrangement is asked, right? Sitting arrangement, है ना? Right? In how many ways they can sit? Right? So it is sitting arrangement. Whenever there is word arrangement, it is always permutation. Okay? That is the trick. You have to think. So the first one is 8C6. No, wrong. It is 8P6. Right? Because you are selecting 6 seats and then arranging the students. है ना? Sitting arrangement. The first is 8P6. Clear? Hai? So this is a problem based on permutation, not combination. Clear? Tell me, clear? Hi, Anna.
How do you know permutation and combination?
Again, you have to think that here, what is happening? Students are sitting, na? Tell me. Students, right? Think, but you think, again, permutation, combination is all about thinking. Okay, you have to think what is happening. Now tell me, if you talk about sitting arrangement, right? Okay. Tell me, if you talk about sitting arrangement, right? Arrangement word is there, है ना? So if arrangement word is there, then it is permutation combination. Okay, okay, so it is arrangement. Second one is homework. Okay, because there is another class from 11:15. Okay, so second one is homework. I hope all of you understood everything and enjoyed today's class.
Yes,
Right,
sir.
Sir.
Yes, sir.
So, right, I wish that everyone will have the same enthusiasm. Okay, and see, the remaining classes will be from 7 p.m. 7 p.m. Okay, right? Saturday's class will be from 7 p.m. Okay, right?
Okay, sir.
Okay, chalo. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Bye. Bye. Bye.
Bye, sir.
Sir, bye, sir.
Yes, sir. Bye.